I'm in the middle of baking here, but I'd like to pause just to record a mensaheng Pa-Aguinaldo. Join me at my editing station. Hi, Kuya here, your Kuya uncle in Holland. It's almost Christmas, and this is the second year of Channel 1. And also, I'd like to mark this period of the year because just I think 3 days ago, my travel channel about places and cultures, My Barrio My Mundo, has been monetized. So we've got lots of things to be thankful for kahit na ganito ang kondisyon ng mundo, mayroon tayong pandemya. Umuusad ang ating dalawang channels. And in addition to that, kahit hindi tayo, although I'm not a pro baker, maraming naniniwala. There are lots of people here in Holland who believe in my baking. At maraming akong order na ube at hopya. True. True. So, mayroon tayong kunting sideline, pambili ng bitchin. But seriously, I'd like to thank you, my friends, for believing in the entertainment and tutorial values of my videos. Salamat talaga. So, dahil nga magpapasko, gusto kong magbigay ng aguinaldo. That's why I'm awarding aguinaldos or giveaways to lucky winners. I'll be raffling off 3 winners ng tig 1,000 lang naman na kaperahan sa Pilipinas, which is, I think, enough na order isang menu for a family of 4 in a decent fast food. Kaya if you want to join the raffle, just indicate doon sa comment box ng any video. Just comment in any video, indicate that you want to take part in that raffle. If you can also award it to someone else kung ayaw nyo na ikayo ang tatanggap. You can transfer it to your loved ones wherever in the world. So again, oh, by the way, the announcement of winners will be on kailan ba yun? Yeah, on the 21st of December. In the upload, I'll be announcing the winners. The winners will be given 24 hours to contact me for the address. Kung hindi, mabibigay sa waitlist. There will be waitlist winners. Again, thank you for believing in our content. Entertainment at the same time. Tutorial. Home and gardens. But if your preference is travel, places and cultures, My Barrio My Mundo might be for you. Magpaparaffle din siya when the time comes. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romelo in Holland. Diyos sagbati.
Mahalin mo lang ako, ayos na